Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Xgene and proteinX. I made two or three videos on image how to use um, it for intensity, to get the intensity, and also to how to get the bright field pictures from the Mars pictures. But in this tutorial video I will be focusing on mainly how to get uh, a cell's number, how to count the cell number manually by using image. So let's move on to the tutorial part. So first we have to open the image. So first I want to open a small number of cells. So for example this one I want to count manually. Okay, so for that you have to go to the plugin and then analyze and then cell counter notice and then click OK. So this one pop-up window will come and you have to click OK. So this pop-up window will come then. So this is the cell counter actually. So don't close it. So during your counting the cells, so now you can see your cursor is transformed to another kind of counter. Okay, so now you can click one by one. So you can see your cells, the morphology are very clear and prominent. So no doubt these are is not like hazy or anything else. So for in this case you can click one by one, like 1 2. You can see here the number is counting here, 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Okay, 12 13 14 15 16 17. Okay, this is 17. So this is actually for the small number of the cells. This is very useful tools to count the cells. Okay, so by this way you can count the cells. So now how to count if you have higher number of the cells to get the accurate number? So for that you have to open it. Let's close this one. So open another one having the higher number of the cells. So for example I want to count this one. So for it's not possible to count all of the cells one by one, right? It's complicated and it's not easy way to get. So for that you have to go to the plugin, analyze and grid option. So hit OK. So you see here these grids are equally divided, this whole portion, right? So for that, so for counting you can count any 10 square. So from here you can count like this: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Okay, so by this way you can count 10 squares, or if you want to count more, maybe 15 or 20 you can count. Okay, then you can average it. So if you average it, you will get the average number of the cells in each square. So after that you can count how many squares are there, how many equal squares are there, then you can just multiply with that number. You will get the number of the cells. Okay, So I think this is very useful technique, and you can use it, and you can employ this technique to count the accurate number of the cells. Okay, that's it guys. I hope this video will be helpful.